started hearing this noise about 5 hours ago. I really didn't check. I was thinking this was inside the door. And just now, it's 6:11 in the morning, and I just came in to look and see if it was still doing it. If you open the door, it stops. Sounds like a motor or something like that has went out or something such as that. It's an LG refrigerator. And so I look, it's cool in my refrigerator, so that's evidently probably not an issue at this juncture. But what is an issue is, so I went ahead and looked in my freezer and noticed that the vast majority of our food is thawing out. You can see that there is slight condensation on the one of the trays. That should be frozen, solid basically, and you can see my indentions, and it frozen fruits and vegetables, everything is really frosted over. Where we gotta get someone in here today. Forgot where the information is, but need to call someone in here today and see what's going on, because that will be a really big problem. Anyway, bought the fridge at Conn's literally almost 3 years ago to the day, almost actually, and it's starting again when I close the door. I don't know how long it lasts. It lasts for like maybe 10 minutes or so, but gotta get it figured out.